Aloe vera, the science behind nature's miracle plant. Have you ever wondered why aloe vera has been a cornerstone in natural remedies and skincare for centuries? From ancient civilizations to modern science-backed solutions, aloe vera is renowned for its healing properties. Whether you're seeking a remedy for dry skin, sunburn, acne, or anti-aging solutions, aloe vera offers nature's best. Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of aloe vera and uncover its benefits, backed by science and practical applications. Part 1. History of aloe vera usage, ancient roots, timeless benefits. Aloe vera's history stretches back thousands of years, serving medicinal, cultural, and beauty purposes across various ancient civilizations. Ancient Egypt, the plant of immortality. In ancient Egypt, aloe vera was considered the plant of immortality. It was used in embalming rituals and beauty treatments. Historical records suggest that Cleopatra included aloe vera in her skincare regimen to maintain her iconic beauty. The Egyptians believed the plant had the power to offer eternal life and used it extensively for preserving the body after death. Cultural significance. Used in burial rites to ensure the safe passage of souls. Incorporated in daily beauty routines for skin enhancement. Ancient Greece and Rome. The healing properties of aloe vera were highly valued by Greek and Roman physicians. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, mentioned aloe vera in his texts, highlighting its role in treating wounds and promoting digestive health. Roman soldiers used aloe vera to treat battlefield injuries. Key uses: wound healing and burn treatment, digestive health support, skin rejuvenation. India and China. In traditional Indian Ayurvedic medicine, aloe vera was seen as a powerful rejuvenator. Chinese medicine also incorporated aloe vera into treatments for infections, burns, and skin conditions. The plant was believed to balance the body's energy and support overall health. Modern usage. Today, aloe vera is extensively used in cosmetic products, dietary supplements, and herbal medicines. Its versatility and efficacy continue to make it a favorite ingredient worldwide. Part 2. Botanical characteristics and classification. Aloe vera belongs to the Xanthorrhoeaceae family, sometimes classified under Aloaceae or Asphodelaceae. This hardy plant is native to North Africa but is now cultivated globally due to its extensive benefits. Main parts of the aloe vera plant. 1. Aloe vera leaf, thick, fleshy, and stores water. Contains important bioactive compounds essential for skin and health benefits. 2. Inner leaf gel. The clear, colorless gel inside the leaf is rich in polysaccharides and nutrients. 3. Latex sap, a yellowish liquid found between the outer rind and inner gel. Contains anthraquinones known for their laxative properties. Part 3. Key chemical components of aloe vera. The therapeutic properties of aloe vera come from its rich array of bioactive compounds. Here's a breakdown of its most notable components. 1. Aloin, barbaloin, an anthraquinone with strong laxative effects. Must be used in moderation to avoid toxicity. 2. Aloeimodin, known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, effective in treating various infections. 3. Asiminan, a polysaccharide that boosts the immune system and promotes tissue regeneration, enhances the body's ability to heal wounds. 4. Saponins, natural cleansing agents with antibacterial properties, help remove dirt, oil, and bacteria from the skin. 5. Amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, essential nutrients that support overall health and skin regeneration. Part 4. Medicinal benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly for the skin and digestive system. 1. Wound and burn healing. Aloe vera gel is widely used to soothe burns, cuts, and other skin injuries. It reduces pain, prevents infections, and promotes faster skin regeneration. Scientific evidence. A study published by the Mayo Clinic highlights aloe vera's efficacy in treating burns and wounds due to its anti-inflammatory and cooling properties. Practical tip: apply a generous amount of fresh aloe vera gel to the affected area. For added relief, store the gel in the refrigerator before application. 2. Digestive support. Aloe vera juice helps improve digestion, alleviate heartburn, and relieve constipation. Its natural enzymes aid in breaking down food and enhancing nutrient absorption. Scientific insight. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, confirms aloe vera's potential in improving gastrointestinal health, particularly in reducing acid reflux and promoting bowel movements. 3. Immune system boost. Acemanon, a key compound in aloe vera, strengthens the immune system by stimulating white blood cell production and fighting infections. Practical tip: incorporate aloe vera juice into your daily diet. Opt for organic, preservative-free options to maximize benefits. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe vera reduces inflammation in tissues and organs, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. 5. Antioxidant effects. Aloe vera contains antioxidants that prevent cell damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Part 5. How aloe vera can solve your skin problems. Aloe vera offers targeted solutions for various skin issues, making it a staple in skincare routines. Here are practical ways aloe vera can address common skin concerns. 1. Aloe vera for dry skin. Dry skin is a common issue that can result from environmental factors, aging, or medical conditions such as eczema. Aloe vera's natural hydrating properties help to lock in moisture and soothe irritated skin. Practical tip: create a DIY aloe vera moisturizer by mixing fresh aloe vera gel with a few drops of jojoba oil. This combination not only hydrates but also creates a protective barrier to keep your skin from losing moisture. Example: for individuals living in dry climates, using an aloe vera-based moisturizer in the morning and evening can help maintain skin hydration. According to a study by the National Library of Medicine, aloe vera gel increases the water content of the outermost layer of the skin, promoting hydration. 2. Aloe vera for acne. Acne is one of the most prevalent skin conditions, especially among adults aged 40 and above. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can reduce redness and swelling, promoting faster healing of acne lesions. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that aloe vera gel combined with tretinoin, a prescription acne medication, was more effective in reducing acne lesions compared to tretinoin alone. Practical tip: use a spot treatment made with aloe vera gel and a few drops of tea tree oil. Apply it directly to pimples to reduce inflammation and speed up the healing process. Example: a 45-year-old woman dealing with hormonal acne reported significant improvements after incorporating an aloe vera and tea tree oil treatment into her skincare routine. Her skin became less inflamed, and the acne lesions healed faster without leaving scars. 3. Aloe vera for sunburn. Aloe vera is perhaps best known for its ability to soothe sunburns. It works by cooling the skin, reducing redness, and providing a protective layer to help retain moisture and promote healing. Scientific insight. According to the Cleveland Clinic, aloe vera contains compounds called polysaccharides that help repair damaged skin and stimulate new skin cell growth. The plant's anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce swelling and pain associated with sunburns. Practical tip: store aloe vera gel in the refrigerator for an extra cooling effect. Apply it generously to sunburned areas for immediate relief. Example: a 60-year-old man who experienced frequent sunburns during his gardening sessions found that applying chilled aloe vera gel not only reduced pain but also prevented his skin from peeling. 4. Aloe vera for anti-aging. As we age, our skin loses elasticity and becomes more prone to wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe vera's antioxidants and hydrating properties can help slow down this process by boosting collagen production and improving skin elasticity. Scientific evidence. A study by the Cleveland Clinic suggests that regular use of aloe vera can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and enhance collagen production. Practical tip: incorporate aloe vera into your nighttime skincare routine. After cleansing, apply aloe vera gel as a serum before using your moisturizer to maximize its anti-aging benefits. Example: a 55-year-old woman reported that after using aloe vera gel nightly for 6 months, her skin felt firmer and her wrinkles were less noticeable. Her dermatologist also noted an improvement in her skin's texture and tone. 5. Aloe vera for psoriasis and eczema. Psoriasis and eczema are chronic skin conditions that cause inflammation, itching, and redness. Aloe vera's soothing and anti-inflammatory properties can provide relief from these symptoms. Scientific insight. The National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, has documented aloe vera's effectiveness in reducing skin inflammation and promoting healing in psoriasis and eczema patients. Practical tip: apply aloe vera gel directly to affected areas twice a day. For added relief, mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of calendula oil, known for its soothing properties. Example: a patient with chronic eczema saw a significant reduction in flare-ups after consistently applying aloe vera gel mixed with calendula oil. The natural remedy helped reduce itching and kept the skin moisturized. Part 6. How to incorporate aloe vera into your skincare routine. To fully benefit from aloe vera, it's important to integrate it into your daily skincare routine. Here's how you can do it. Cleanser. Use an aloe vera-based cleanser to gently remove dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Aloe vera's antibacterial properties can help prevent acne and keep your skin clean. Toner. Aloe vera toners can help balance your skin's pH levels and tighten pores. It's especially beneficial for people with oily or acne-prone skin. Practical tip: mix aloe vera gel with rose water to create a soothing, hydrating toner. Apply it with a cotton pad after cleansing. 3. Moisturizer. Aloe vera gel can be used as a lightweight moisturizer for both oily and dry skin types. It hydrates the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Practical tip: for dry skin, mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of argan oil for deeper hydration. For oily skin, use aloe vera gel on its own. 4. Face mask. Make a DIY face mask using aloe vera, honey, and turmeric for a natural glow. Honey provides additional hydration while turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the ingredients and apply the mask to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. 5. Spot treatment. Use aloe vera gel directly on blemishes to reduce redness and speed up healing. It's a gentle alternative to harsh acne treatments. By incorporating aloe vera into your skincare routine, you can address a variety of skin issues naturally and effectively. Its soothing, hydrating, and healing properties make it a valuable addition to any beauty regimen. Conclusion: embrace aloe vera for healthier skin and a healthier life. Aloe vera is truly nature's miracle plant, offering solutions for a wide range of skin issues from dryness and acne to sunburn and signs of aging. Its healing, soothing, and hydrating properties make it a versatile and powerful addition to any skincare routine. Backed by centuries of traditional use and modern scientific research, aloe vera continues to prove its effectiveness in promoting healthier, more youthful skin. By incorporating aloe vera into your daily skincare regimen, you can experience its benefits firsthand. Whether you're creating your own DIY moisturizers, using it as a spot treatment, or adding it to your diet for digestive support, aloe vera offers a natural, gentle way to care for your body inside and out. Safety disclaimer: while aloe vera is generally safe for most people, it's essential to perform a patch test before applying it to large areas of your skin. Some individuals may be allergic to aloe vera, particularly when applied directly. If you experience redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. For internal use, consult your healthcare provider before consuming aloe vera products, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health and skincare tips. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for our community. References: scientific studies, 1. Choi S. and Chung M.H. 2003. Aloe vera and its potential for the treatment of skin disorders. Journal of Ethnopharmacology. Retrieved from the National Library of Medicine. 2. Vogler, B.K. and Ernst E. 1999. Aloe vera, a systematic review of its clinical effectiveness. British Journal of General Practice. Retrieved from the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI. Best-selling books on Amazon. 1. Lad, Vasant, The Complete Book of Ayurvedic Home Remedies. A practical guide to natural healing using Ayurvedic principles with insights into aloe vera's benefits. 2. Svoboda, Robert E. The Hidden Secret of Ayurveda. This book explores the use of natural remedies, including aloe vera, in traditional Ayurvedic medicine.